Welcome to CountyLine TV. We're giving away a car. It's this car. It's this 1990 whatever E36 Compact 318 Ti. It has miles. It runs and drives. We'll take it for a drive in a minute. We're gonna talk about giving it away. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel. That's literally it. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure that your subscriptions are public so that I can see in my subscriber list who's subscribed, because that's where I'm gonna pull the names from to give it away. This guy
needs a new hood.
The hood might have flown up. We'll fix it. It's getting a new windshield too. It already needed a new windshield, so don't worry about that. But we have some plans for it. It's gonna get some stuff. We're gonna make lots of videos on this car. Make sure you subscribe, make your subscriptions public. And let's show you around the car a little bit. So here's a little bit of the car. It's not nice, but listen, I'm giving it away literally, we are giving it away literally for free. Literally just subscribe. So, you know, as we look around, like, you'll notice some rust, some dings, whatever. Like, we're gonna make it look decent. We're gonna make it drive good. Don't you worry. The interior is actually not half bad, so I'm pretty excited about that. So it's gonna be like a drift ready car. We are gonna put a bucket seat here. I've got a handbrake. It's coming from a buddy of mine that lives local right now. This guy doesn't know how to open the hood, but we'll get the hood open for you. The hood shocks worked until it flew up. Those don't work anymore, so we might replace those. We might just put a prop on it or something. But anyway, here's the engine. It's dirty. We'll clean it up a little bit. Obviously, these are only 4-cylinder, but whatever. We'll give it a little bit of power. We'll talk about that later. But it is going to get coils and a little bit of angle too, so I don't know. It's going to be a cool car. We're going to keep it super budget friendly though, because as I said, literally for free. Just subscribe. Well, should we take it for a drive? All right, so we're in the car and we're gonna take our first drive on film. We did drive this once and the hood flew up. The one time we've drove it leading up to now, the hood flew up. So that was kind of butt cheeks, but.
Y'all closed it this time, right? No, we're leaving that on for the sakes of being able to see.
Yeah, for the reason of film, we have to have the dome light on because it's kind of dark outside.
I'm sure it's fine.
But this thing, I mean, literally, like, once you get going, like, give her the sauce in second gear, it actually has some get up and go, so I'm assuming it'll drift pretty good.
I mean, with our
it's open diff, so it won't spin right now. We're slipping the clutch.
First time driving her, bud.
God, he's revving it higher than I did.
Good.
Yeah, this thing, it pulls fine. Yeah, this thing's great. This thing is awesome. I'm super happy about this purchase. Justin and I, we went halvesies on it. So, CountyLine boys giveaway car. So a little bit more about the giveaway. This is gonna be advertised as off-road use only because some of the parts we're gonna put on it are not good for road driving. Don't take this video for precedence because right now it's a completely stock vehicle.
Yeah, no.
Whoops, well, we just got brighted. It's the stick, bro, on the side. Just like every other car ever. Oh, we drifting! 4 deep drifting, not a seatbelt on. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna advertise this as off-road use only. This is gonna be a track car, right? We're giving it away as a track car. This is only gonna be valid for the Continental 48 because reasons. So Continental 48, off-road use only. And we are not responsible for delivery. So just keep in mind that if you win the car, you gotta come get it. And sorry about that. So you'll be on your YouTube homepage, click on your profile picture, go down to settings, over here in privacy, keep all my subscriptions private, and you'll want to turn that off. And then your subscriptions at that point are public. That's it, you're entered. You can win the car. So yeah, make sure you get subscribed, make sure you get your subscriptions set to public, and then tell all your friends to subscribe, tell your mom to subscribe, whatever you gotta do. As soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers, just 1,000, that's it, it's not that many. So if every one of you tells a couple of your friends, we'll get there. And then whoever's lucky enough that has their subscription set to public is gonna be able to swing on down to the CountyLine HQ and load up a drift car 318 Ti on a trailer and boogie on out, start drifting.